property. All right, guys, welcome to our brand new investment. We just took possession today. We're gonna give you a tour around the place and kind of tell you what we're gonna do. We are so very excited.
Oh yes. We don't have much. What are we gonna do? I mean,
we're aiming to get it up and ready in a month and a half at the most.
Oh man, that is a tight timeline because there's a long list of things that need to be done, but.
Right. So we bought a 1959 slab home with 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, and we're going to hopefully transform it from what you see here on this tour into something amazing for a renter.
Let's go on the tour.
All right, so for in this space, we're not doing a whole lot. I cannot wait to take down these curtains and let this beautiful window be seen. Clean the window, clean the carpet, fresh paint throughout, replace the ceiling fan, and I think that's about all we're gonna do in this place. Clean up those wires.
Yeah, I think that's it, really. I mean, this is a good sized space. This room will take the least amount of time.
All right, so we have a really tiny bathroom here. We can't even all fit in it to film.
Not much storage. We'll probably get rid of this storage cabinet. We're gonna put in a new mirror, right?
Yep, a recessed medicine cabinet for a little bit extra storage. Really just put in a new faucet, clean up the tub, just do a few cosmetic things in here. New light, faucet, paint.
And we'll keep the floor. We're gonna leave the tile floor as it is. We'll change out the registers and stuff, but
just do a nice clean.
You know, we'll put in a new vent fan here. It just needs cleaned out. You can see all the dust and stuff in there, but we are going to put a new one in.
Yeah. And then we have the 3 bedrooms. Take down the curtains. Again,
the curtains.
Fresh coat of paint. Carpet clean, replace the baseboard, a new light and ceiling fan, and I think we'll be done in this room.
Yeah, this is actually, again, not much to do in this bedroom. I don't know, what do you think about that wall sconce?
It definitely has to go.
random light in the corner of the room.
I may even already have purchased one.
Is this another bedroom?
Yep, another bedroom. Again, same thing. Clean the carpets, fresh coat of paint, ceiling, trim work, new ceiling fan, painted doors, new door handles.
Yeah, and this is not a bad room. This is the second largest bedroom. The one we were just in was the smallest. This one's got a bluish colored, almost like a robin's egg blue.
And that tree out that window is going to be removed to
Yes.
hopefully let a little more light in here and to help with the curb appeal on the outside.
Yes. All right, let's go check the master out. Whoa. Look at this green. Wow.
Again, we're going to not do much change in here other than paint, carpet, new ceiling fan. We're going to leave the gold accent, so I'm going to bring that out, I think, and maybe the light fixture, and we're going to make it work.
Look at these gold mirrors. This is awesome. This is a huge closet, honestly, for this space. And they actually, the previous owners used this as their like entertainment center. So this cabinet here, they put their TV in, but we're gonna get it out of here. Open this closet up, get some more, more storage for clothes. Lots of power strips. They left lots of power strips. There's a light switch here, or I don't know what that light switch goes to, but there's a light switch. We'll find out with you what's going on here, and you got this beautiful view on the deck patio, which we'll be talking about that shortly. All right, what's our next room?
Let's do the kitchen. All right, so this is the kitchen. It's a little bit small, but we're gonna try and brighten it up, bring it into the 2024. We're gonna do new appliances, fresh coat of paint, brand new countertops, remove this wallpaper.
Lots of wallpaper in this room.
A nice deep clean.
Should open up these.
Yeah, let's get these babies open.
Yeah, we might have to WD-40 that or put some...
Well, you get the idea.
We've got, okay, so this is the kitchen. You got a kind of a split countertop here. We've got this kind of sink thingy, cubby thing here, which is interesting. With you got your sink here, and then you got the shelf and light. So I don't know what we'll do here. Something.
Oh, I know.
Oh, you've got Lisa's got a plan. But yeah, this is by far I think we're all excited about this space. And we're keeping the tile like we did in the bathroom. We're going to just keep the tile, clean it really well, clean the grout really well. All right, what do we got next?
All right, you come over here. We got our washer and dryer. We got some deep storage back in here.
Yeah, so you can kind of see they built like a false wall. The original wall's back here, but they built it out so that they could put these deep cabinets in.
There's many layers of wallpaper
yes,
back there.
Look at all that wallpaper down there. That's all the way from 59 till the present day. And then we got
our pantry.
A really nice size pantry. I mean,
we're gonna do some painting in here, just freshen this up.
Yeah.
And brand new electrical panel.
Yes, we've got our Pushmatic panel here. It looks like they've found a cover for it. Or maybe it didn't. Anyway, we're gonna have this updated to a more modern breaker system. So that'll be fun. And next is
this room, which I think is going to be my favorite space. I love this space. Nice 3-season room.
Yeah, this is kind of what really, I think we fell in love with this property because, you know, all the other, at least in this neighborhood, there's not a lot that have these additions or these additional spaces attached to it. So we've got the French doors coming out of the kitchen laundry area onto this 3 Seasons room with the fireplace, which we're going to paint that.
We're going to paint the fireplace, get a brand new mantle, and we're going to see, since this is a rental, we talked about maybe just getting an electric fireplace insert and put it in there. Because it currently needs some work, the chimney, and so really not sure we want to spend the money right now. So we're going to look at an alternate solution, but if we have to, we will do the chimney insert. So we'll figure that process out together.
Yes.
All right, let's go out to where used to be a hot tub. We asked them to remove that and show you the plans we have for out here. All right, so when we first looked at this property, this was a completely enclosed, fenced area with a deck, which you can tell has seen better days, and the hot tub was right here.
There. What's the hot tub?
So we have plans to remove all this decking, put down just grass and just extend the yard, and maybe eventually redo the fencing for some privacy.
Yeah. So it is nice to have this fencing for the privacy aspect, but the problem is this fence is probably being held up by this deck. So we'll have to see what happens as we take this apart. Look, Floody's just dancing on the end of it. Okay, buddy, maybe come over this way just in case. So yeah, we're gonna take this all down, which will be fun.
You want to walk out that way, or do you?
Yeah, we can walk out this way. So you gotta be careful over here. Yeah. Here was that wall before it was removed. And now come to the back side of the garage. And the cool thing is we have also the storage shed, which will come in handy. But we've got our garage. And this is the back side of the house. Really cool. You've got access from the driveway. That was the window into the kitchen. And is this not a big 2-car garage? I am in love with this. I think this is really cool. So we've got this sort of bump out here from the door, which goes about 5 feet, which we have access to.
All this extra workspace.
Yeah, workspace.
Storage, whatever.
Storage. And you also have an attic access up here. So you have storage up here. You have the drop down the door, or drop down the ladder right here. It's really cool. Also the outlets. There's an outlet strung all the way along the bottom of this. Really nice. This is cool. And there is actually a sink here. A sink in the garage. So we'll have to replace this kind of stuff. Takes us back into our Three Seasons room and back to the house. So the way this house is laid out, the main entrance is probably going to be this door, because you're going to park your car in the garage and walk in this way. So I see Floyd has already started doing some demo work here.
Where did he start?
The threshold here came off. All right, so we've kind of showed you the house, every room, and I think right now we have a little bit of time before we have to run, but I think we'll start doing a little minimal demo here. So
I can't wait to take these curtains down.
woo! Look at that. These are brand new windows too, which is really nice. They're vinyl windows, but they're new. They look good with some paint around the casings and the trim. They're gonna look great.
All right, I cannot wait to take these down.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Look at that. 2 rows of them too. Man, let's take this off. What is this? And that. Oh yeah. But it's just how bright this kitchen is now.
I feel like we should save these in case a tenant wants to put something up, but
I mean, we can. I can certainly put this, even all the hardware, we can put in a Ziploc. Got it.
those right in the trash.
Yeah.
Unless you want to use them for like a drop cloth or something.
Well, I would, but I feel like they wouldn't do much. They're like almost like a shear.